Cittadini! Cittadini! Siamo tutti davanti tutti!
There is a feast in Sicily of holiness and silence. Thousands of people wait in anticipation for one of the greatest religious events. The world stops in light of this authentic feeling. Sant'Agata is proof that Catania knows no time. Intense moments of life, starry nights, lights, fires and screams come together. It proceeds tirelessly, cold or rain. It can be day or night, dawn or sunset. This great beauty enlightens the eyes. Can you imagine this show? We are all the same, devotee, enchanted. Now you can hear it. A voice, a moment. It is the city that is inside you.